fireworks going on. We're back to my channel. What's up, fireworks? And at this, we in the city. It's tight. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Want to get a closer view and some more light? Whatever. But let's get a closer view. But first, let me take a selfie. Like, I'm dead. Like, seriously dead. I'm ready for the 4th of July.
Sucking space, somebody like, give me
Here,
money,
Anthony.
bro.
Anthony, right here.
I'm gonna say, give me money right now.
Where the fireworks? It's all done. There it is. Oh my God, it's so scary. It's so awesome and amazing. Ava is so scared right now.
Not me. We both recording.
We're both recording.
Grandma, get my fireworks.
Our grandma right here. Anthony, Ava, Sasha. You can see it's Sasha. Oh, yeah. Boom!
Yeah.
They popping it in the street, though.
They popping in. I thought they were to popping in the city. Ain't this the city?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna go to jail.
Here's a close-up of to see it. But right now, like, they're barely doing anything, and then nothing happened.
Okay, there you go. I think
There's a big one.
that was cool.
I am done.
I can believe they do a fireworks by my house.
That's pretty.
Randy is right by the house.
Y'all better watch out. We scared. So, well, this is our video of the fireworks, which was awesome.
So we're not gonna stop
Go to watch the Beanie Boozle challenge, the
and
the karaoke challenge.
Yep.
Deuces. Oh snap! Let's just watch this last part, and then boom shakalaka, we done.
Boom chakalaka, we cool.
Boom shakalaka, ah, boom shakalaka.
View.
Yeah.
They right, man. If I go over there, I'm gonna be like,
They be like, hell yeah. I'm be like, oh, right here. And